So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are going to know about an update which is regarding to the post office savings scheme. It is all about the Kisan Vikas Patra. This is basically a scheme in which you have to invest rupees 1000 and get double return in the maturity. So let's go to know about each and every detail about this savings scheme in the post office. All right. So guys, for people who want to invest in a government scheme and earn double returns, here is a wonderful opportunity for you. So guys, one such investment plan by the Post Office of India is Kisan Vikas Patra. So in this scheme, your money is not only saved but you can get double returns on maturity. It must be noted that the Kisan Vikas Patra is a one-time investment scheme where your money is doubled in a fixed period. This scheme is available in all the post offices across the country and big banks of the country. As per the updates, the maturity period of the scheme is 124 months and the minimum investment in this scheme is rupees 1000 and there is no maximum limit. Mainly formulated for the farmers, Kisan Vikas Patra is also for the people with the low income so that they can save their money for a long time. So guys, in this post office investment scheme, the investors not only get better returns but also get the benefit of the government security on investment. Along with this, the Kisan Vikas Patra scheme also claims that you will double your money after investing the 10 years and the 4 months under it. Alright, so as per the plan, you just need to invest at least rupees 1000 to buy a KVP certificate. Investment in this post office scheme can be done in multiples of rupees 1000 only, and there is no upper limit on the investment under it. However, for any investment above rupees 50,000, the investor has to provide his PAN card details. All right, so what about the interest rates? As per of this post office scheme, at present investors get the benefit of rupees 6.9% interest rate. This is compounded annually. All right, so who can invest in this Kisan Vikas Patra scheme? So any Indian citizen who is above 18 years of the age can invest in this scheme. There is no upper age limit prescribed for this. The Kisan Vikas Patra can also be bought in the name of a minor. However, NRI is not eligible for this scheme. What are the premature withdrawals for this scheme? Unlike other long-term savings schemes, the investors on the Kisan Vikas Patra can make premature withdrawals. However, if you withdraw the KVP certificate within 1 year of a purchase, you will not earn any interest and will also face a penalty. If you withdraw the KVP certificate between 1 and 2.5 years after purchase, then you will not have to pay any penalty. Alright, so how to open an account for this scheme? So for Kisan Vikas Patra scheme, one has to go to the post office. The applicant must have an identity card such as Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card, driving license and the passport. So in this scheme, account can be opened in both single and the joint mode. At the same time, parents can also get an account opened for their young children. Okay, so guys, this is all about the Kisan Vikas Patra scheme. So guys, if you like my video, so like, share and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more benefits. Thank you so much.